Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in part 1 and part 2 I have discussed the jail superintendent paper, and in those part I have discussed the English portion as well as the HPGK portion, and जिसमें कुछ करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन भी थे. नाउ इसमें मैं जर्नल क्वेश्चंस और इंडिया जीके के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूँगी इस वीडियो में. सो अगर आपने HPGK से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस और जो करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस थे, इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस थे, इफ़ यू वांट टू वॉच दैट वीडियो सो आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके उसे चेक कर सकते हो. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे 59th क्वेश्चन, एंड ये सीरीज़ डी है. आप लोग जो है वो क्वेश्चंस मैच करके आंसर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. So let's discuss the period when men used both stones and copper tools is known as the correct option is Neolithic. C will be the correct option. Next is 60th question. Which was the most important divinity of Rig Veda? Correct option is D, Varun. 61st question is the introduction of Buddhism into China is traditionally attributed to. Correct option is B, Kashyap Matang. 62 question is the most commonly used coin during the Mauryan period was. So correct option is D, Kashpana. 63rd question is in Ashoka's administration Rajukas looked after. Correct option is D, administration of justice. 64th question is the Durrani dynasty was founded by. Correct option is C, Ahmad Shah Abdali. Next is 65th question. In which region of India was the Suhrawadi order of Sufism popular? Next correct option is Punjab and Sindh. D is the correct option. 66th question is the special feature of the financial system of Vijayanagara was. Correct option is C, revenue from seaports. 67th question is which Mughal ruler was ignorant of the art of reading and writing? Correct option is B, Babur. No, not Babur, but D, Akbar. Okay. Next is the Maratha chief Sambhaji was executed during the reign of. Correct option is C, that is Aurangzeb. 69th question is sculptures of the Gandhar school reflect the influence of the. Correct option is A, Greeks. 70th is Jama Masjid in Delhi was built by. So correct option is B, Shah Jahan. 71 question at the famous poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji was. Correct option is Amir Khusro. D is the correct option. 72 question is who among the following scholars was the first to visit India? Correct option is B, Ibn Battuta. Next is Pushyabhuti dynasty ruled over. So correct option is Thaneshwar. C is the correct option. 74th question is which was the first newspaper published in India? So its correct option is B, Bengal Gazette. Next is 75th question. Sir Charles Wood dispatch of 1854 dealt primarily with. Correct option is D, educational reforms. Next is the first governor general of India was. So Bentinck was the first governor general. So here D will be the correct option. Next is 77th is Mahatma Gandhi's thoughts were greatly influenced by the Bhagavad Gita. C will be the correct option here. Next is 78th question. The Cripps mission visited India during the regime of. So here correct option is A, that is Lord Linlithgow. Okay. So next is 79th question. The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by. So its correct option is D, M.N. Roy. Next is 80th question. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of Canada. B is the correct option here. 81st question is protection and interest of the minorities is envisaged in which article of the Indian Constitution? 29th is the correct option, option C. 82 question is total number of members in a legislative council should not exceed that of a legislative assembly by 1/3. A will be the correct option here. Next is 83 question. How many members of the Lok Sabha must support a motion of no confidence in the government before it can be admitted by the speaker? तो वैसे तो 50 होते हैं, but I think here A will be the correct option, that is 55. Next is the term of the Lok Sabha. So 84th का जो question है that is C, can be extended by 1 year at a time. Next is 85th question. The Union Council of Ministers consists of, correct option is C, cabinet ministers, ministers of state and deputy ministers. Next is the 5-year term of the president is calculated from the, correct option is C, day he assumes charge, जिस दिन वह पद ग्रहण करते हैं. Next is 87th question. The state government's responsibility for educational planning is shared by the, so here correct option is B, Ministry of Human Resource Development. 88th question is the Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President in consultation with the judges of the Supreme Court, will be the correct option, option C. Next is 89th question. Who is entitled to initiate a bill for constitutional amendments? So here correct option is D, either House of Parliament. 90th question is the election commission holds election for the, so correct option is C, parliament, state legislatures and the post of the president and the vice president. So C will be the correct option here. संसद, राज्य विधान सभाओं और राष्ट्रपति तथा उपराष्ट्रपति के पदों को. Next question is 91. Which state has no panchayati raj institution at all? So correct option is D, Nagaland. Next is 92 question. Which is an extra constitutional and non-statutory body? So correct option is C. After that, next question is the 25th state in India is Goa. So here A will be the correct option. 94th question is how many countries are the members of the UN General Assembly? 193 is the correct option, option A. Next question is the Indian Military Academy is located at Dehradun. A will be the correct option again. 96th question is smoking in public places were prohibited nationwide from October 2, 2008 is the correct option, option B. Next question is the 8th schedule of the constitution deals with the, so here A will be the correct option, list of regional languages. 99th question is permanent hardness of water can be removed by adding, so correct option is D, washing soda. D is the correct option. Which is called a strategic metal? So titanium is called a strategic metal. C will be the correct option here. अब 101 से 170 तक के क्वेश्चंस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड करूँगी क्योंकि अभी तक मैंने यहीं तक सर्च आउट किए थे. So if you liked my video and if it really helped you, then don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. So keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.